Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever completely ruined a perfectly good meal just because you lost track of time while distracted in the kitchen? Today we are searching for the best digital kitchen timer to solve that exact problem. You are watching Best Product. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Dingo digital kitchen timer, it becomes obvious that keeping track of your daily tasks does not have to be complicated. The Dingo Digital Kitchen Timer is a highly versatile and practical tool designed to completely simplify timing tasks in the kitchen and well beyond. Whether you are trying to perfectly simmer a delicate pasta sauce, bake a birthday cake, or just keep track of a quick morning shower, this handy little device ensures that your timing is always precise and completely effortless. One of the absolute standout features of the Dingo Digital Kitchen Timer is its incredibly unique dual design. Most timers force you to choose between an old-school mechanical dial or a modern digital keypad. Dingo brings you the absolute best of both worlds by combining both digital precision and mechanical functionality into one single device. It features a manual rotary countdown dial that you can twist to set your time, giving you that wonderful, tactile, traditional feel that classic kitchen gadgets are known for. It is incredibly intuitive to use, meaning you do not have to punch a bunch of tiny buttons to set a simple 5-minute timer. You just give the dial a quick spin to your desired time, and you are immediately good to go. But while the setting process feels pleasantly traditional, the actual time tracking is completely modern. The Dingo Digital Kitchen Timer features a bright and clear digital interface that provides highly accurate time tracking. Once you set the rotary dial, the digital display takes over, giving you a perfectly precise readout of exactly how much time you have left. This dual design allows users to seamlessly switch between a manual rotary countdown and a digital display, giving you amazing flexibility for different timing preferences and daily needs. You get the modern accuracy you need to avoid burning your food, alongside a classic routine that just feels great to use. Of course, a timer is only useful if it is actually within reach when you need it. Dingo thought of everything by outfitting this device with a strong magnetic back. This means the timer can be conveniently attached directly to your refrigerator, your metal cabinets, your oven hood, or absolutely any other magnetic surface in your home. You will never have to dig through cluttered utility drawers with messy hands just to find your timer again. It is always exactly where you left it, ensuring it is always within easy reach the moment you start cooking. Beyond just cooking, the Dingo Digital Kitchen Timer truly shines when it comes to everyday versatility. It is not just for baking cookies or boiling eggs. The timer can also serve as a highly accurate stopwatch. This makes it an absolutely fantastic multifunctional household gadget. If you have kids who need to focus on homework, you can easily use it to time their study sessions. Or maybe you want to cut down on your water bill by timing your morning showers. Because it is so easy to set and read, it caters to a massive variety of household uses. It truly acts as a practical companion for anyone looking to stay organized and punctual in their daily routines. Looking closely at the overall physical design, the Dingo Digital Kitchen Timer is wonderfully compact and lightweight. It takes up virtually no space at all, making it highly portable and easy to store when it is not in use. You can easily slip it into your pocket if you are moving from the kitchen to the living room, or toss it into a bag if you need to take it to the office or a classroom. With a major focus on usability and everyday convenience, this device is an ideal addition to any home. Its clever magnetic feature, combined beautifully with the manual and digital countdown options, creates a flexible and completely reliable timing solution for your daily life. It significantly enhances your everyday efficiency and helps users manage all of their daily tasks with absolute ease. The combination of mechanical and digital features ensures that this is not just a basic tool, but a vital part of keeping your home running smoothly. Are you ready to stop burning your dinners and finally take complete control of your daily schedule? Check the price link in the description to find out more and grab one for your home today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome finds. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.